I'm excited to walk you through this unboxing. You guys are going to see this at the same moment that I do, so you'll get my genuine first impressions. Now, I know what this is. This is work boots, and this is coming from a company called Rooster, and they sent these to me to do a video and give my opinion of. I'm super pumped up because I wear boots on a daily basis. So let's open these up and see what we're looking at. You can see I'm right. You can see the logo there of Rock Rooster, built for comfort. And let's take a look. Now, these are going to be, hopefully, the Magnolia 6-inch men's soft-toed boot in black. And comes with a couple things, some super cool stickers, warranty card, laces, extra laces, because here is the boot. It's exactly what I was hoping for. So take a look at that. So you've got a full grain leather boot. These ones happen to be black. They're also available in brown. They are a wedge sole design, which I really like. It's comfortable. It's got a bunch of nubs on the bottom of this rubber sole, which is going to help for slip resistance. You can see the cushioning here. Real sign of quality. You've got the Goodyear welting all the way around, which means that it's going to be extremely durable, but it also means that at some point, if you ever had to replace the soles, then that can be done on these boots. Here's another thing that I like. So of course you've got the laces and you've got the quick lace. There's 4 of them at the top to make it simpler. But at the end of the day, I've run into problems before where I'm just so beat that it's a struggle to get my boots off. This has a YKK zip down the side. So YKK, those are best zippers that you can get in the industry. I actually have YKK zips on some of my survival gear. But inside, got a real nice padding around the ankle area. I like that a lot. And a great arch and a nice cushion. A good arch for me means everything. I'm a little bit flat-footed, so that's going to be fantastic. And of course, you've got the hook in the back to pull these on. So really, I love the red logo that stands out on the heel, the ball of your heel right towards the back of the boot. So this is going to be facing out. That's a real nice little touch. But you've got the black, the red, the white, real kind of old school feel, soft toe. I also ride motorcycles, so this is great to get underneath those the shifter. Won't still be able to pop it up. I don't need a steel toe in my line of work. But just an amazing, just at first feel, you can feel that these are super quality. Not too heavy either, so these aren't going to burden your legs at the end of the day. So just really super nice. I love the way that this leather feels. These are awesome. Can't wait to try it on. I'm going to break that into a separate video. Then I'm going to break into another video of how they feel just walking around. And then I'm probably going to piece all that together. So check these out. They're from Rock Rooster. Again, this is the Magnolia 6-inch, but they have a variety of different boots all the way around that are absolutely amazing. These are super cool. For the price point, don't think you could go wrong for the quality of these. So check them out from Rock Rooster.